Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is Sheets Cottage Pie. The ingredients are 1 tin of minced onions, 1 tin of tomatoes and mashed potato. There are various ways of cooking this. Today I'm going to show you some tips. You can start off by peeling potatoes, boiling them and mashing them. You could also use a packet of instant mash at this point. And once the mash is cooked, you can add various ingredients such as butter, milk. I even like a little bit of mustard or cheese in there too. It's just to add flavour to that mash. Then take a saucepan and add your minced beef and onion. And your tin of tomatoes. Heat this until gently simmering for about 3 minutes. Other things you could add to this mix is a tin of beans, a tin of peas, or some mixed vegetables. It's just bulking out this ingredients. The main ingredients you've got there which cost the most is your tin of mince and onions. So anything you add to that will make this recipe cheaper and more economical for the family. Once your mince and onion mix is heated, add to an oven-proof bowl, then add your potato on top. At this point you could put it under the grill to get browned, or you can put it in the oven for about 15 minutes on 180. If you've got any more ideas, send them in to the shop and I'll look into them.